I just missed the light. Sorry. Gives the homies time to catch up.
Ah, here are the slowpokes.
I was just riding with Frank. I don't know where he went.
Oh my god, they're bad.
Whoa, nice car.
Hey, look like she was about to roll her window up. They're not looking at it.
Nice car.
Hey,
We said nice car.
you should say that.
I did.
Hey Jake, this looks like the Jeep you and me rode in.
Oh, now they smile.
Yeah,
Now they're
I know.
smiling at
I
me
know.
right away.
I don't know where to go. I'm just gonna park right here. Gotta cut this guy off. The turning radius sucks.
Oh, hello. How you doing, sir? I'm at the gas pump. I'm getting gas right now.
Who's all in here?
I'm in here. I would assume probably Frank, Bruce, Reese is probably
What is
gonna join. What? What?
That's an R3?
What is?
I don't know.
You guys all right? Are we having a stroke here? What's going on? All right, what are we doing?
Wait for this guy to get gas.
Are you joining, Reese? Are you gonna join my proximity chat? Do I have to join him? I don't know. What did you buddy on?
Huh?
I was wondering, what are you waiting on? You can just tap the button, can't you?
No, I did. It never works for me. It always makes you do it.
Oh, really? Okay, my bad. I didn't mean to restrict you from the proximity chat here, but
I don't know why. Who else is in our proximity chat? Yeah.
Evan, for us, just blocked my Ferris, whatever.
I can't hear you. Say it again. Too quick.
Here we have Evan. This is Evan. Hello, with the beautiful R1. Yeah, get it, baby, get it.
I thought it was an R3 this whole time.
Hey,
We got Reese with the white ZX6R. Beautiful. Give it a wink. Yeah, Riz. We got Bruce with the S1000. Hello. And we got Motorrad Boy with the S1K. What's up, baby?
Sick introduction.
What's up? Oh yeah, no, this is fun. I like doing these. Alright, we ready, boys? We're a couple dudes deep. Got everybody?
Yo, folks.
I hear a girl.
Me too.
Hello.
My center keeps glitching out. I think someone must be nearby. Alright, Reese, I just got out of mesh. I can't stand the peeping. Dude, you were hauling through dead ends. That was crazy.
I'm fucking them up, man. I gotta show these people, man. You see my Instagram story earlier? I said, why are you guys buying 1,000 cc's and only using 500 of them?
I did not see that. Only using 500 of them.
Like, bro, come on, man. I'm not getting 1,000 until my ass could do like nasty wheelies.
Yeah, dude, I gotta teach you.
Yeah, I
Hey,
don't know.
what happened with that road? Why is it
I'm just
closed?
not fully committing yet because I haven't put an oil pickup mount on my bike yet.
Wait, you see that? They closed the road.
It gets too packed and crowded for all the Ubers and shit.
Oh.
Dude, it is so hot, bro.
I know, you gotta accept that fact when you come down here, brother.
I'll take my shirt off. No, not my shirt. I'm
Ooh,
keeping that belly tucked
I'm
away.
doing that.
I'm keeping my belly tucked away.
Someone say shirt off?
I'm gonna get to looking like you this winter. I'm not looking like you, but
I just don't eat, bro. That's all it is. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I dated an anorexic girl and it fucking changed me mentally. All of a sudden, I'm just like her.
hey, I think eating less is better than eating more.
What? Why does everyone say that, bro?
What did he say?
You know, I thought you got rid of that bike. I'm like, no, I just clearly have it. Can you imagine coming down here on the V4?
Bitch,
I've
like
done it
some-
oh my
twice,
God.
and it's literally the worst thing ever.
Yeah, why do you do that to yourself?
Literally.
Masochist.
I just
Gotta
got
rep.
and I go.
Time to do the loop.
Yeah, dude, for real.
Oh, Joe's hoodie just came off.
I'm not lucky, man. I wish I could do that right now.
Damn.
I'm about to start riding with no helmet.
Dicks out for Harambe.
cock and
Jake's shaking his shit off.
Jake's going topless.
Oh no. I have a boner.
Bricked up on a Saturday.
You want me to hold your backpack, Jake?
I got it.
I had to sit a little bit further away from my gas tank.
Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm so hard right now. This is crazy.
I know.
Good.
I
Hey,
wish
you should have got a pump before this so that way I could get real hard. Or you could pump me up.
How about we buy a table at Forward, like a section act?
How much?
Unfortunately, you have to book to get in there if they're having an event.
Inferno or Barley will probably let us in right away.
Do you know who I am?
Do you know?
Yeah. Do you know who I am?
Do you know how many TikTok followers I have, you fucking piece of...
Yeah.
Plebeian.
I'll buy this, bro.
Yeah. Have you seen my abs?
Ab check right now.
Hey, I'm not no helmet creator.
There they go. Watch him walk away from Joe. Watch this.
No. She said she shook her head. She said,
He looks like my dad.
Oh my god, someone grabbed Frank, dude.
Like
What?
Frank Senior or Junior?
Junior. He
yeah,
just like came up and grabbed him. Look how he's grabbing Evan.
What the f?
"What the fuck is she doing, bro?"
Yeah, I don't do the hands, bro. I'm not gonna.
Frank's like, get the f off my
No,
boat.
bro.
Now she's hopping on the R3.
Oh, she's hard.
Who's Mike?
Oh my god, she's getting on the back of Evan's bike. There he goes. Oh my god.
Damn it, she's wearing underwear.
What? Alright, cool. I guess we're just here. We're living in Evan's world.
Get on his bike.
Dude, look, turn around. Look, the girl got on Evan's bike. It's Evan's world. We're just living in it. This girl's telling me to come here.
I know. With their boyfriend next to her.
Yeah, I know, right? Dude, how did this happen?
Dude, oh my god. She was trying to hop on Frank's bike and then he didn't have a back seat. So she
was
went,
just texting.
and she just went to the fucking bike behind her, bro. I was getting ready to run off.
She is texting. Who
Jake!
is texting?
Oh my god, she's gonna die.
She's gonna fly off, dude.
Jake, I don't know who this chick is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, up a wheelie, dumper.
Tell her to hold on to you before she dies.
Yeah,
I
grab.
told her.
Evan, reach back, grab her hand.
Come on.
Grab her hand. Yeah, there you go. Show some dominance,
You
dude.
gotta turn on your bright lights so we can
The
see.
craziest thing I've ever seen, bro. She's
I
just
got it.
coming.
I need to see this here. Go faster. I need to see this. I need
She
to
doesn't even know where she's going.
That is so funny, dude. She just like hopped on the back.
God, she's just sitting there texting, bro. And
Like, you know,
Okay, whoa.
dude, down.
You better wash your seat, man. You better wash that seat.
Alright, I do not want to think about the laugh.
This is interesting, though. It's a change of pace for sure. Oh my god.
Bless you. Bless you.
Sorry, bless you indeed.
I would say bless you.
I knew it was coming up and it was gonna destroy everyone's ears. There was nothing I could do.
See, look at 2-hour parking, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Why can't we fucking park there?
Well, that's from 7 to 8.
Because it's not. It says Friday and Saturday or no parking
Somewhere,
between 6 p.m.
somewhere it is. Somewhere.
That guy looks extremely familiar.
I think Bruce is starting to get a little irritated.
I am. I'm hot. I'm crabby. I got a scratched bike. I'm thirsty.
I got a scratched bike.
Oh, she's back. Look at, she's back.
Oh, hell no, dude. Oh,
I don't have a
hell no.
Oh,
What's she saying?
that dude, she lost that guy.
I can't give you a ride. Hey, I got new tires. I can't go.
Bruce, just give her a
None of us have pegs.
Oh,
I
Bruce,
just-
you're the worst.
I'm sorry.
No, she's looking at me. Wait.
Let me feel
I just started riding.
Wait, where's Evan at? Where did Evan go?
What's her problem? Her boyfriend did what?
She's chasing me.
How did we lose Evan?
Hey,
Why are we?
That's what I was
open.
wondering where he's at.
Well, Joe's like, I got you.
I got you, honey. Don't worry. She lost that guy. She's like, he's at some fucking taco stand. He's drunk. I'm like, okay.
Wait, where did Evan go? How did we lose Evan on the R1?
I have no idea.
He's been gone, right?
No?
Oh. We could pull in over here and sit over here out of the traffic.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Pulling right here.
P40. This guy. This is the
40.
worst person.
Here you go. Take it. No, asshole. Well, there it goes. All right, cool. Thank you.
We swapped keys. They work.
Would it work? No, I tried that.
We tried it.
It goes in, it doesn't turn.
Oh, snatch this dude's chain right now. I think he heard me say that. I looked right at him and said, oh, snatch this dude's chain. One time I was riding at like 40 miles an hour and tried to kick over a cone and that was like cement and I almost broke my leg.
Oh my god.
Dude, it was like had something inside of it or something, dude. Oh man, this one's really gonna kill me now. My bike has 96 hours on it.
96 hours?
Yeah.
What's that?
Your show's hours.
Yeah.
Really?
It's a dirt
It
bike.
does. Yeah, it does have hours in the settings.
That's pretty cool.
I didn't know that.
It's a dirt bike.
I think it's hours per time you reset it.
I'm pretty sure the S1000s do that too.
Actually, my Ducati does that. The V4 does it.
Your
My-
show's hours too?
Shows you how much time that you have on that that trip. Yeah, like
My S1000 says 110 hours.
Uh-oh, time to get over.
How many miles? Yeah.
5,000 miles.
I got 5,500. 96 hours.
Oh.
So it looks like I do more riding, you do more sitting.
And what are we doing right now? We're sitting.
okay.
I'm not shaking your hand.
Everybody's getting really drunk now, dude.
Oh.
Dude, that girl liked you. Did you see her?
I saw that. She was not my
Dude.
type. Not my type. Not my type. Not my type. Not my type.
I know.
Abort.
Sounds like she's
I don't think the ride's gonna be nice in a t-shirt, bro. I was cold coming down here. I'm gonna be cold going back.
Put your gear on or no? You gonna put your coat on?
Huh?
You gonna put your coat?
There we go, boys. How are you today? Bike needs a wash so bad. Got dust all over it, probably from Sills leaving it outside.
Jake, how's my hair? Do I have enough coming through in the visor area?
Yeah.
You look good.
Hey, I know it's a joke, but it does look fire.
What?
Having the hair come down a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go up, block all these cars, dude. Watch this. Power move. Actually, wait, hold. This girl coming over here.
Yeah, they
I see
are.
her.
Oh,
Come on,
oh.
come talk to the bikers.
Never mind. We're out of here.